Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you guys the functionality of Dominant Wallet on Windows. Here you can see the main information of it, for example, total balance, spendable, and allocated for masternodes. Below it you can see the latest transactions. And of course the information of your masternodes if you have already installed them. At the right top corner you can see how many peers are for now, if you have encrypted your wallet, staking status, and of course console, where you can use all functions via commands calling. To find out all of them, you can enter help, and you will see available requests for this wallet. For example, you can use get blockchain info, and it will allow you to see the current state of the block and the main information about it. You just have to paste the receiver address or pick it from the address book if you have some contacts here, and to write the receiver's name, but it's not necessary though. You have to paste the amount to send in DMTC, and that's all. There are all public addresses, previous that have been used earlier, and unused addresses. You can easily copy that and create the new one. At the top you can see that there is the search where you can find some addresses if you want to. There is situated the transaction history. You can sort it by date, amount, and category. You can also manage history to display only received, rewards, transfers, allocated, and staked transactions. Of course, Dominant Chain Wallet has its own address book, where you can add new addresses to keep it with some name if you want. There are lots of useful functions in the settings. You can manage them in the console, but for greater convenience, it's easier to do it just by clicking on the button. As you see, you can restart daemon, rescan of the blockchain, refresh, or verify wallet. I can demonstrate one of these functions, and I think it's much easier than to write some comments in console. Of course, there are security, network, and display functions too. But you can try it on your own if you download Dominant Chain Wallet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please contact support in any convenient way. Links are in the description below.